Welcome again to Paul Plant Horticulture. I'll be going through a whole lot of gardening tips for gardeners to increase their knowledge, experience and enjoyment of the gardens here in a tropical, subtropical garden. Hopefully my experience, my failures, my wins will give you some advice, and like all gardeners, we are all on a learning curve. I'm currently at home in the morning, in my garden, of course. Where else would I be? And one of the plants I'm going to feature today is this one. We know it locally as kitten's tails or kitten's whiskers, more often as kitten's whiskers, my apologies for that. Orthosiphon or Orthosiphon aristatus. It is native to Australia, but it is also known to be in many other countries as well. In fact, some countries use the leaves for a herbal tea. Now, I don't know if anyone in Australia uses it for that reason, but it is a very cute little plant. So the main one is this particular color. It's basically white with a little bit of a mauve tint to the ends of the anthers. There is also a much more mauve flower form on the market, which is worth seeking if you want a little bit of extra color. So I grow this in mass. I'm going to see if I can stand up and show you the volume I have. It's towards the end of the flowering period. I had this whole area, which is probably about 3 by 3 meters, completely covered in flowers, and the bees were absolutely humming through this area. And FYI, the low section of it, when you prune it down, it's very open underneath. The robins and the wrens absolutely love living in there because they harvest some of the bugs and the beetles and the insects that are down there, so part of their food source. So this is also a habitat area, a zone for the critters to fly through, the birds. So I love it for that reason, and also for the bees. I don't see that many butterflies, but the bees absolutely love it. It is available in the garden centres. It is very easy to grow. As I say, I tend to leave it alone for most of the year, then give it a serious haircut back once or twice a year. And it was flowering throughout the summer period and into the autumn period. I think normally you'll get the spot flowers for about maybe 9 months of the year. Definitely worth it. But you get this intense flowering during the summer period when it's growing really well and when it's flowering. So I'm hoping this particular plant tip can be of help to you. Check it out at your local garden centre, known as kitten's whiskers or cat's whiskers. Orthosiphon aristatus, a really good plant to include in your native garden or cottage garden, or just well pruned into a herbaceous border. Speak to you soon.